The SL160 slide loader from Prior Scientific is a fast and easy-to-use system to automate your slide scanning process. The system has been designed from the ground up for robustness and reliability. The next-generation slide loading system has fully integrated sensors and encoders for the ultimate in dependability. The SL160 slide holders are simple to load, economical, and suitable for long-term slide storage. They securely hold the slides to the plate with several features that prevent slides from falling through or being damaged. The system comes with an optional slide assistance platform that provides effortless loading and unloading of slides. The SL160 has a capacity of 160 slides, which are housed in easy-to-access hotels. The robotic mechanism in the loader transfers the slide holders from the hotels without touching the individual slides, ensuring slide safety and integrity. The SL160 stage comes with an integral LED illuminator for slide preview. This low-magnification preview scan quickly locates the areas of interest, so you only scan what is necessary. A retaining mechanism within the hotels maintains a firm grip on your samples, keeping them safe during transfer to and from the SL160 loader. Prior's high-speed stages allow for fast scanning of up to 4 slides at a time. Its open system architecture allows you to use a wide variety of microscopes and optics, or use Prior's OpenStand platform. It is the perfect system to build your applications for imaging high volumes of slides with precision and reliability. Contact us for product demonstration.